Changing these shelves, breaking out my originals. Those first three removed. They've been boxed up for some years. First three seasons, all the original figures. It's a little yellow. They're all complete. Match them up with the modern figures. Of course, Hasbro's coming out with a whole bunch of figures over the next year or two. So it'll be nice to catch up and finish these collections. So I have all the original first three seasons with one or two or maybe even three modern versions. And then up here, it looks like I'm almost close to finishing season 4 figures out of modern versions. I don't have any originals from season 4. I just threw him in there. He's been sitting around for years. I gave him to my son when he was little. He played with him. We almost tossed him. I threw him back on the shelf. These are getting changed. I just now took all my Bayverse Transformers off. So it's going to be all G1 style over on this wall. And I think I want to mix in the originals here and there next to their counterpart. Like down here. I dig this guy out. Refractor. Just got this today. Kind of prompted me to do this. It's a cool ass box. I didn't even know it was like it until I got it in person. You can see the camera inside. It's a bulge. It's nice. So there's the Siege version. It goes together. It's a camera, but it doesn't quite look like the originals. So I'll dig the original one out and maybe set him here. Have a nice little tribute shelf for him. Soundwave. Need some more lighting over here. I've got every version you can think of Soundwave. It's one of my favorite characters. Probably is my favorite Decepticon. The Sound Blaster. And the Siege. And Lamp Pole Soundwave. Only collectors get that. There's some tapes. They're probably hard to find because Hasbro loves making you hunt for the 4th, 5th, or last cassette. There's Frenzy. Rumble. I'm gonna start that. Frenzy. The blue one. Rumble on the cartoon, right? I'm bad about going too fast on these videos. Promise when I get these shelves set up, I will go around really nice and slow. It's got a little rip. That's a shame. It's just peeling. These are all original. It's just one of my open. Oh, that is the original. That is number one Uno gray version with the holes. Yep. Round dimple on the bumper. Higher pitched gears in the hips. I'm not opening that. It probably only has a handful of transformations left in those hips. He shall stay a truck. Look out now. That one's nice. Hold up now. Hold up. That one's nicer. I think it's my light blue version. Boy, I collected those back before they even made the 2007 movie. I bought all my stuff way before they went up in price. What else we got? Got another Optimus. I got 2 more beans after this one. I guess I'll do a couple more videos if y'all care for these. It's gonna be the second release, probably number 3 trailer. First Rub Sign edition. He's in good shape. Try not to touch that chrome with my finger. The oil's what kills it. Let's see that. T4 82 Japan. T4. Okay. I thought I sold my number 4 version. Oh my goodness. No, I kept it. Awesome. Yeah, I think it was one of the best open ones I've ever had. I was big in the early 2000s before those movies. I bought everything I could on eBay. I had about 20 or 30 Optimus Primes, probably. Not all at once. I would buy them and clean them up, fix them, match up the correct parts, studied them, found out all the old information, and I don't know why my camera's all foggy. Focus. Yeah. Sorry, guys. But anyways, I learned a lot of information on these original figures. They were numbered. The mold numbers went from 2, 3, 4, 5 being a movie release mail order promotion in 86. And then anything 6 or different mold markings after that was reissues. So there were first 4 or 5 original molds in Transformer line. That's not even including Diaclone. Last bag. Here we go. Triptychon's parts. Not all of them. These original too, baby. Silver mold. No gray reissue. No reissue parts. I had this before they made a reissue. Over there. Oh, made me dig out paperwork. I have a beautiful set of sticker sheets for all these guys, still in the original baggies. It's probably one of the most impressive paperworks I have for any figure. It's for Predaking. and he's the heavy metal version. I made plastic waste versions for each one of these figures and metal waste. I don't necessarily know what the difference or what came first. I assume the metal and plastic come second. Alright, I'll end it there. Set some more of this up. Come back, show you what shelves look like, and do another unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and upload this video. I'll probably have horrible focus, move too fast. I wasn't ready to speak. I just hit record. So here we are. I'll do a better job on the next ones. This shelf may stay. Alright, peace to the next one.